Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a very nice unit we have in stock. This one is set up for your dual purpose use, so you guys can use this to haul cars, toys, UTVs, razors, side-by-sides, toy hauler. It's also set up for camping if needed because you have insulation windows, AC, and power, so it gives you guys a great start there as well. This one is in a silver blackout package. You guys can see you do have a nice big extended triple tube tongue. This is on a 5-foot tongue. It's going to give you guys a really good turning radius. This will be a great trailer to pull behind a Class A or a camper as well. Black diamond plate rock art along the bottom. Nice big black diamond plate wrapped corners. You also have a rounded upper black cap for your blackout package. Side door does have double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar. And again, this one is equipped with power, so you have that exterior GFI outlet located right there. 250, 200-pound torsion spread axles with brakes. This is as good as it gets in the trailer towing world for axle setup. By having this torsion axle package, it's going to give you guys an independent suspension underneath the trailer, so it's going to ride and tow better. And then when we take the axles and spread them apart like this, it can cut down on wagging and swaying. So amazing setup there for whoever purchases this trailer. You do have aluminum wheels with this unit as well. There's one of those windows, 2 LED light bars off the side. This is going to give you guys great light at night to be able to hang out, do your thing. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it, plus you've got this nice diamond plate extension there on the end of the ramp. Plus you have a dovetail here at the back. So the back 3 inches of this floor drops down about, or excuse me, the back couple feet of this floor drops down a couple inches, and it's going to give you guys a nice easy angle and brake when you're coming in and out of the trailer. Rear ramp door does have the black diamond plate wrap around it as well, ties everything in nice together. And then you also have 2 LED load light spotlights here off the back, so you guys can have some great light to see what you're doing at night. This one's also equipped with a nice big escape door slash awning door, so that flips up like an awning. I do have a picture of that on the website for this trailer, so you guys can see what that looks like open. This is great to pull your car in, be able to open your car door up through there, get some extra ventilation, have a little awning you can sit under. Lots of good uses there. 7-foot interior height with this unit. It's going to give you guys 6'9" at the rear door with that dovetail, so great for razors and UTVs and taller vehicles. You also have the awesome performance Nudo floor with dry max in this unit, 4 D-rings in the floor as well, insulated walls, insulated ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, and then there's awesome light inside of this trailer as well. You guys have 4 puck lights, so 2 on each side, which are these little guys. And then you also have these nice big 4-foot LEDs that fit beautifully up there in the corner. There's 2 of those as well. So interior light's not going to be an issue with this trailer whatsoever. You do have a Maxx Air roof vent here at the back. And then let's just come in a little bit farther. I'm going to show you guys 2 of these. 2 windows are the 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted. You guys can lock them. And then they're across from each other when that door is closed, or you can open up that door and just have that much more light or ventilation. Interior step coming in and out of the side door. You do have 4 interior outlets. There's 1 at the back and then 3 more here up in the front. Plus you've got that exterior GFI outlet. And then we also have right here your AC unit with a heat strip, so you do have hot and cold there. 30 amp service right here. It's going to give you guys this power box, the cord, you take it, you pop it right through the floor right there. Go into your generator, a campground, however you're going to power up the trailer. That's going to power up your interior outlets. It's going to power up your AC unit. It's going to power up your 4-foot LEDs. And then we also have a battery with a battery box and a battery charger, which is awesome. That's going to run all those exterior lights we talked about, as well as these puck lights, allowing you guys not to have to be plugged into your vehicle or a power source to get light, which is a nice feature there. And your light switches are located right there next to the side door. 6,400-pound payload capacity with this unit. Again, it is set up for cars if needed and set up for your dual purpose use. As always, you guys can reach us at 303-688-8485. I will have the price, a full description, and lots of pictures online at coloradotrailersinc.com. So if you guys want to learn more about this trailer, go there. And we also ship, so if you don't live near us, no worries. We ship all over the U.S. all the time. Give us a call. We've got very reasonable shipping rates, and we'd love to ship you your trailer so you can have one of the Colorado trailers wherever you are. 303-688-8485, or again online, coloradotrailersinc.com.